Hey bosses, it's Nina. And so in this new year, I'm going to give you one final gift. I keep on getting these notifications for these watch parties and I am over it. So I posted something and a couple people were like, how do you turn it off? So I figured I'd do my last bit of training / YouTube videos on this. It's a quick video, not a lot of editing. So enjoy. Happy New Year. So in order to turn off your notifications, the first thing you're going to do is go up to your top right-hand corner in Facebook, and you are going to click the notifications icon. Now, this is going to be a little off because I did this and forgot to turn on my microphone, so bear with me. So top right-hand corner, you're going to click on your notifications. Then you go all the way to the bottom where you're going to see all of your notifications, right? And so once you do that, it's going to show you all of the notifications that you have on Facebook. Now, I use Control F on my Windows keyboard, and I am going to search for the word watch party. After I search for watch party, what I'm going to do is find one. Sorry, Sterling, you invited me to a watch party, so I'm going to click on the 3 dots to the right and select not the first one, but the second one that says to turn off all notifications of this type, and then you're done. But I'm going to give you another trick. If you go up to the top where your notifications are one more time, and then you click on settings on the right hand side, you're going to be able to control all of your settings for Facebook. So you can go through and turn on and off whatever notifications you can, and so your heart's desire is pleased. So make sure you go ahead and do that. It's a great tool for coming into the new year. Also, make sure that you check out the monthlychecklist.com. In 2019, I will be releasing a new checklist every month, starting with your ultimate branding checklist for small businesses. Absolutely free. Talk to you later. Ciao.